chapter 7 from your advanced math of class 8. The name of the chapter is linear simultaneous equation with two unknown variables. Let's first see the definitions of the simultaneous equations. It says that an equation of first degree with two unknown or variable is called a simultaneous equation. Here the main point is first degree of the two unknowns or the variables. We will see, I'll show you the examples what is variables and of first degree. Okay. In doing so, we have three methods how to solve the equations of two variables. First is method of eliminations, or method of substitutions, and method of comparisons. And by taking one example, I will show you all this. So let's step one, equations. Say for example, let me take one equation, two equations, that is 9x minus 7y equal to 13, and another one is 8x plus 3y is equal to 30. Here we will see that sometimes you will find the equation in this way also. The first one is given in an order of x and y. Next one, it may be altered, that y may be in the first and the x may be in the second. So what we'll do is that we can change the positions so that it is in its own line. Now here the variable is x and y. There are unknown values. These numerical 9, 7 attached to the variable, so they are the coefficient of the variable x, and coefficient of the 7 is the coefficient of the variable y. Here what we need to do is that we need to find out the value of the unknown x and y. So the formulas of solving is that first by eliminations, number 2 is substitution, and number 3 is comparison. First we will see the eliminations. How? Elimination means either I will eliminate the x, unknown x, or y. Which one you want to eliminate first, you can eliminate. So first we will say that we will take as we want to eliminate the x. So what we need to do is that the numerical we need to make it equal. Here 9 and 8. Both are co-primes, means they do not go together. So what we do is that just we will multiply the upper equations, that is equations 1's x coefficients and equation 2's x coefficients. So what we get is that 8 into 9 is 72x minus 8 into 7 56y is equal to 8 into 13 324, 8 into 1, that is 104. Next we will see that we will multiply by 9, so it becomes 72x plus 9327y is equal to 9327, that is 270. Now here we have seen that 72x and 72y we can eliminate. In this we need to choose whether we need to add or subtract. Here the signs are same. If the signs is same, that means we need to eliminate, we need to subtract. So if the signs are same, then we will take as subtraction. So if it is subtraction, then the down sign will be changed. Here it is plus, so we will change to minus. So here it is plus, plus and minus is cancelled. This plus converts to minus and this plus also minus. Now here it is minus, minus, so same sign add 3, 5, 6, 7. 73y. Here it is then a plus and minus. So greater sign is, greater value is 270. So greater sign is minus here. That means 270 minus 104. That is 6. Here it is 6. 166. It is what we need to do is that we will cancel the minus minus from the both side and we will take the value of y. So 166 divided by 73. So how many times it goes? It was 83. So I made mistake here in counting. So it is 83. Now I need to take the value over here. It is multiplication. So when it is sign change, it becomes a divide. So I need to take out the value of y. That is the unknown variable. So when I start, the common factor here is 2. That means 3 to 6, 8 to 16. So y value we get as 2. In this way we can eliminate. If you want to eliminate the 7, here we see the 7 and 3 are odd. So what we need to do is that we need to equalize the coefficient of y of the first equation and coefficient of the second equations y, that is 3. We just cross it. That means 7 into 3 21, then 7 into 3 is 21, so we can cancel. That means same like this. If I want to make it equal to the 7, then I multiply the upper equations 1 by 3. All both sides. 9 into 327, 7 into 321, and 13 into 339. In this way, then I multiply the second one. So after that, we can cancel the y and we can take the x value. From this also, one method we can do that in substitution by elimination. This value, if I put to one of the equations of this, taking one of the equation, we can get the value of x. Now I will show you from here you can take out the same L of the x unknown variable also. Sorry, here it is. Now method of comparisons. Method either you want to compare the x or y, it depends upon you. First, if I will, let's take out the value of x. X as independent. Sorry, x as dependent and y as independent. If I want to take the x as independent of the equation 1, I can write like this. 9x is equal to 13 plus 7. Y. That means I have transformed this one to the right hand side, equal side. So x is equal to 13 plus 7 y by 9. That means x becomes a dependent of y. Y is independent. Whatever value you put the y, you will get the value of x. This is equation 1. And if I transform this one, you will get as x is equal to 30 minus 3y by 8. This is equation, say here equation 2, then take it equation 3 and 4. Now I compare 3 and 4. If I compare 3 and 4, I need automatically what it becomes? X cancel. Then 13 plus 7y equal to 9 is equal to 30 minus 3y by 8. Now you will solve by cross multiplications. Then you can eliminate you can find out the y values. If you find the y values, then what will happen? You can put any one of these equations, that y value in that independent, then you can find the value of x. So I will solve up this one. Let me rub this one. What equation come is 13 plus 7y by 9 is equal to 30 minus 3y by 8. So if I compare now here again, I'll need to do cross multiplication. If I do cross multiplication, it becomes in this way. So 8 into 13 is, I think, 3 8 24, 2 in 8 1 8 104 plus 8 7 56 y is equal to 92 70 minus 90 27 to 71. If now I equate and transpose the y's values in one side, that is 56, I will not move this one, so I will transform this one. Transpose this one, that means minus will become plus 27y is equal to 270 minus 104. I have transposed this one and I keep this one as a stable. Now I will solve it. Now 7 plus 6 is 13, 1 in and 5, 6, 7, that is 83y is equal to 166. So y is equal to 166 by 83. If you cancel this one, taking the common factor, the answer is 2. Now from we got the value of y, now we need to find the value of x. How we can find the value of x? That means in the previous equation, there was two equations, that is equation 3 and 4. That is x is equal to 13 plus 7y by 9. Now by putting the value of y, that is 2, we get as, that is 27 by 9. So if I cut this one, it becomes 3. That is the required value or solution of x is 3 and y is 2. In this way we will solve the remaining equations also of this chapter. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब. जय हिंद.